keeps a secret. It carries every whisper from one shore to another. So tonight, I'm trusting every wave, every breeze, and every star to carry my love to you. Morning paints the quiet shoreline, golden light upon the sea. Every wave that kisses softly feels like you're embracing me. The palm trees sway with gentle rhythm, keeping time with my heartbeat. Every breeze becomes a message, making every dream complete. I walk along our favorite pathway, leaving footprints in the sand. Though you're somewhere far beyond me, I still feel your guiding hand. The birds are singing toward the sunrise, like they know where hope belongs. Even nature keeps believing love is stronger than the storms. No matter where the horizon ends, no matter how far you roam, the heart remembers every promise and always finds its home. Ocean, carry my love across the deep blue sea. Wrap it in your gentle waves and bring it faithfully. Oceans, carry my love wherever my darling may be. Tell them every heartbeat still belongs completely. Carry every dream, carry every prayer. Tell them I'll be waiting with forever to share. Ocean, carry my love home. The fishermen return at sunset, smiling with the day's reward. Still I watch beyond the harbor, waiting for a familiar shore. The market glows with evening colors, lanterns shining warm and bright. Every melody reminds me of our dances through the night. I saved your favorite little flower, pressed inside my diary. Every page becomes another piece of our sweet history. Though the seasons gently change, love remains the morning dew, fresh as every island sunrise, always leading back to you. The lighthouse never stops believing, its light remains so true. Just like this heart inside of me, still shining just for you. Ocean, carry my love beyond the silver tide, guide it safely through the night, with heaven as its guide. Ocean, carry my love on every faithful breeze, whisper softly in their dreams, like dancing coconut trees. Carry every smile, carry every kiss, until we're together there'll always be this. Ocean, carry my love tonight. If the moon can light the water, then love can light the soul. If the stars can cross the heavens, then two hearts can become whole. Every wave that reaches shore has traveled far away, just like every dream I'm sending finds you every day. Close your eyes and hear the ocean, listen to its gentle song. Every note is softly saying you've been loved all along. every star begins to glow. Somewhere underneath this heaven, you're watching them, I know. The sea keeps writing little letters upon the waiting sand. Every wave becomes another promise reaching for your hand. Rain may fall upon the island, but sunshine always follows through. That's exactly how my heart feels whenever I think of you. Love is patient like the ocean, strong enough to cross all time. Every tide keeps moving closer to the day your hand meets mine. I believe tomorrow's coming, I believe our dreams are near. Every sunrise grows much brighter, every heartbeat crystal clear. The wind keeps calling, the waves keep rolling, my soul keeps hoping, my love keeps flowing straight to you, ocean. Carry my love across the endless blue. Guide my heart through every wave until it rests with you. Ocean, carry my love stronger than the sea. Every sunrise brings us closer to where we're meant to be. Carry every promise, carry every song. Tell my love I'm waiting, they've always belonged. Ocean, carry. The sea is calm tonight. The stars are resting above the islands. Somewhere beyond the horizon, I know you're looking at this same sky. So I let my love travel on every wave that reaches you. Morning found me by the shoreline, watching sails drift out to sea. Every gentle breeze kept whispering, you are closer than you seem. The colors of the waking sunrise wrap the water in pure gold. Still my hands reached out in silence, searching for the ones I'd hold. Every shell beneath my footsteps carries echoes of our days. Every tide repeats your promise in 1,000 quiet ways. The little birds above the harbor circle through the morning light. Even they seem to believe love can always find its flight. No map can measure where true love belongs. No distance can silence two faithful hearts. My heart sails to you across the endless blue, riding every wave carried by the wind until it reaches you. My heart sails to you with every dream made true. No matter where you are, you'll always be the safest place I knew. The sea may keep us far apart, but never steal what's in my heart. My heart sails, always sails to you. The marketplace is full of smiling children laughing in the sun. Still my happiest imagination sees sees us walking there as one. I saved your favorite little corner at the cafe by the bay. Sometimes I still pour 2 coffees just in case you come today. The fishermen all wave and greet me as they bring the morning catch. They remind me every journey finds the place where it should land. Every flower blooming brightly seems to know your gentle smile. Every fragrance fills the air with memories worthwhile. The lighthouse keeps its faithful beam through every passing night, just like my love keeps shining, no matter out of sight. My heart sails to you, beyond the morning dew. Through every rising tide, my love remains forever strong and true. My heart sails to you, like the sky embracing blue. Every breeze I feel carries my love straight to you. The ocean stretches so wide, you'll always be my guiding light. My heart sails, never fails to you. If tonight you're feeling lonely, stand beside the quiet sea. Listen to the rhythm of the waves, they're singing here with me. Every star becomes a letter, every breeze becomes a song. Every heartbeat softly whispers, this is where we both belong. When tomorrow greets the sunrise, lift your eyes toward the shore. You'll discover love has waited, just like every day before. Hold on to every promise, never let your faith grow small. Love can cross the deepest waters when 2 hearts refuse to fall. Moonlight paints a silver pathway, leading softly through the sea. Every shimmering reflection feels like you're reaching me. The palm trees dance with quiet joy, the trade winds sing so sweet. Nature seems to know the day our hearts will finally meet. Every season has its purpose, every flower has its bloom. Every patient heart discovers love can brighten any room. Until your footsteps find this island, I'll keep believing every day. Hope has always been the anchor, keeping loneliness away. I can almost hear tomorrow calling through the evening air. Every wave grows a little stronger, every prayer becomes more clear. My soul keeps believing, my love keeps shining. The sea keeps moving, the stars keep guiding straight to you. My heart The morning arrives with the sound of gentle waves. The sun rises over Montego Bay, painting the water with gold. Everything is beautiful, but beauty feels quieter when the one you love is far away. I watch the fishing boats drift slowly out beyond the crystal blue. The sea breeze brushed against my shoulders, bringing thoughts of only you. The marketplace was full of laughter, music dancing through the air. Still my heart kept searching softly, hoping somehow you'd be there. Every road we walk together still remembers every smile. Every corner of this island misses you a little while. I wear the necklace that you gave me close against my beating heart. No amount of miles between us can pull our love apart. The tide returns without delay, the moon still finds the night. If nature never loses hope, then neither will my heart. I'm missing you in Montego, where the sunshine meets the sea. Every wave keeps whispering, bring your love back home to me. I'm missing you in Montego, under skies so bright and blue. Paradise is beautiful, but it's incomplete without you. Come sail across these waters, let your heart remember too. Every dream begins again when I am here with you. The coconut trees keep swaying like they're dancing to your name. Every little breeze reminds me nothing here has really changed. I saved your place beside me, had our favorite seaside view. Sometimes I still catch myself reaching out for you. The old guitarist near the harbor played the songs we loved before. Every melody kept asking, what are you waiting for? So I smiled into the sunset, though my eyes were filled with tears. Love can travel farther than the passing of the years. No ocean is too deep to cross, no mountain stands too high. When hearts belong together, love becomes the guide. I'm missing you in Montego, where the trade winds softly sing. Every flower blooms in color, yet you're my favorite spring. I'm missing you in Montego, every evening, every dawn. Though the night feels long without you, hope keeps carrying me on. Come follow every heartbeat, let forever lead you through. This island waits beside me, just to welcome you. If you can hear the ocean calling, know it's carrying my prayer. Every wave that reaches your shoreline brings a piece of my love there. If you ever lose your courage, look up at the evening sky. be sharing the same moonlight, though the distance feels so wide. I leave the porch light glowing like a lighthouse in the night. So whenever you are ready, you'll always find the light. Still my heart remains sincere. Love has never learned to leave, it only grows from year to year. The shells along the shoreline hold the echoes of our days. Every step I take reminds me love still walks these sandy ways. Friends all say that time keeps moving, healing every lonely heart. True love isn't measured by how long we're apart. Every rainbow after rainfall feels like heaven smiling down, telling me our story's ending will become a brand new dawn. I believe the winds are turning, I believe tomorrow's near. I can almost hear your footsteps growing closer every year. The sea keeps singing, the birds keep flying, my heart keeps holding, my love keeps shining, until you're here again. I'm missing you in Montego, where the ocean meets the sky. Every sunrise keeps reminding me true love never says goodbye. I'm missing you in Montego, still believing in our dream. Every tide is drawing closer than may appear to seem. Come back to these blue waters. Morning sunlight kisses the sea, but it doesn't feel the way it used to. Every wave still calls your name, every breeze still remembers us. I'm standing where we promised forever, and my heart is still waiting. Golden sunrise paints the shoreline, palm trees dancing in the gentle wind, seagulls flying over blue horizons, but you're nowhere to be seen. Coffee growing on the hillside, flowers blooming after rain. Everybody says that time keeps healing, still I whisper your sweet name. The hammer keeps on swaying slowly, like it knows you're far away. Every little corner of this island hopes you'll come back home someday. The moon keeps asking where you've gone, the stars keep shining all alone. Even paradise feels incomplete without your footsteps next to me. This is an island without you, beautiful skies turning blue. The ocean sings, but my heart can't dance until your love comes into view. Nothing feels the same without you. Children laughing by the water, music drifting through the town. Every rhythm makes me remember how we'd spin and twirl around. Your favorite chair is by the window, still waiting for your smile. Every evening I light one candle, dreaming you'll return a while. Letters resting in my drawer, filled with words I never sent. Every page holds little promises, every line still heaven sent. No matter where the tide may flow, my faithful heart will always know. Love like ours can cross the sea. Someday you'll come back home to me. This is an island without you. Every breeze still carries true. The waves may roll, the days move on, but all my dreams belong to you. This is an island without you. Under every sky so blue, I keep believing, I keep loving, until my world comes back with you. If the wind can cross the ocean, carry every whispered prayer, tell my darling I'm still waiting, tell my darling I still care. If the moon can light your journey, guide you safely through the night, may it bring you to my doorway with the morning's golden light. No distance can erase the story of our hearts. No silence can undo the love we made from the start. Close against my beating heart, every sparkle tells a story, even though we're far apart. The market fills with smiling faces, fresh fruit underneath the sun. Still I save your favorite mangoes, dreaming we'll share every one. Rainbows rising after rainfall, hope appearing in the sky. Tells me love was never meant to die. Every heartbeat calls your name, every sunrise stays the same, until the day you hold me near. I'll keep your memory right here. This is an island without you. Still my love remains so true. No change in time, no passing year could ever pull my heart from you. This is an island without you. Still believing dreams come true. One sweet morning you'll be here, and paradise begins anew. This is an island without you, yet my soul belongs with you. Forever faithful, forever strong, our love will carry us through. I'll keep watching every sunrise, I'll keep smiling through the rain. Every wave that kisses this shoreline brings me closer once again. When your footsteps find this island, you'll discover what I knew. Paradise was never the beaches, paradise has always been you. Island without you, waiting for you until love brings you home. Morning turn into the sand every day. If the waves can always find their way home, maybe your heart will too. I'm still here, waiting where our love first began. Morning paints the water with gold. The sky wears colors soft and bright. The breeze still carries your laughter, floating gently through the light. I walk the path beside the shoreline, where our footprints used to meet. Every shell I find is a memory. Every heartbeat skips a beat. The palm trees lean into the ocean, as if they're listening for your name. Nothing here has really changed, yet nothing feels the same. I smile for everyone around me, but the truth lives deep inside. Half my soul is crossing oceans with every changing tide. The moon asks questions every night. The stars reply with silent light. My heart keeps calling endlessly. Come back where you're meant to be. Come back to my shore, where love is waiting at the door. The waves still know the songs we sang. They've never stopped believing. Come back to my shore. I've never needed you more. This island blooms but misses you with every breath I'm breathing. Come back to my shore. Let our hearts become one more. No matter how far the winds may blow, love always finds the way. Children dance beside the harbor. Music fills the evening air. Every melody reminds me of the dreams we used to share. The fishermen return at sunset, smiling with the day's embrace. Still I search among the faces, hoping yours will take its place. I saved your favorite little cafe, the table by the sea. Sometimes I sit in order to, pretending you're with me. Every candle softly flickers, every whisper rides the breeze. Every prayer I send to heaven travels farther than the seas. Distance may divide our days, but not the love inside our ways. The tide keeps turning faithfully, just like my heart believes. Come back to my shore, where every sunrise asks for more. The sea still shines, the sky still sings, but something's always missing. Come back to my shore, like the waves forevermore. I'll hold your hand, I'll hold your heart, and never let it wander. Come back to my shore. We'll dance beneath the stars once more. The night will smile, the moon will glow, just like it did before. If your road has become heavy, lay your worries in the sea. Every wave will wash them gently, then return you home to me. If your heart has grown uncertain, close your eyes and hear my song. Love is stronger than the distance. Love has known the way all along. The wind remembers every promise, the rain remembers every kiss. Time can never steal forever, when forever feels like this. Oh, Every sunrise grows a little brighter, bringing you closer to me. Every heartbeat, every dream, every whispered prayer, every flowing stream still carries your name. Come back to my shore, where forever waits once more. No empty space, no lonely night could change this heart of mine. Come back to my shore. Love is worth believing for. We'll laugh again, we'll dance again, until the morning shines. Come back to my shore, like the tide forevermore. No storm can steal, no wind can break the promise that we made. Oh, come back to my shore. This heart is yours forevermore. The sea will sing, the stars will glow, as two hearts reunite. The evening settles softly over the water. The stars begin to gather, and the moon rises above the Caribbean Sea. Tonight I send my heart across the waves, trusting the light to guide it home. Silver light upon the ocean, sparkles dancing with the tide. Every wave tells quiet stories of the nights you held me tight. The palms are moving with the rhythm, swaying gently in the breeze. Every whisper sounds like your name, floating through the coconut trees. The lanterns glow along the harbor, casting dreams upon the sand. I still remember every promise written by your gentle hands. Though you're somewhere far beyond me, my heart has never left angels dance beneath the moonlight as the night dissolves the day. I can almost feel your fingers resting softly over mine, like the first time we discovered love could make the whole world shine. The sea breeze wears your favorite perfume, sweet like flowers after rain. Every breath becomes a memory, calling out your name again. Though the distance feels like forever, fate still lives inside my soul. Every sunrise gives me courage, every sunset makes me whole. The tide keeps reaching for the shore again and yet again, just like love keeps reaching hearts, no matter where they've been. Yeah, Caribbean moon of love, lift us high above, where no distance can divide two hearts carried by the tide. Caribbean moon of love, gentle as a dove, hold us in your quiet glow, never let our hope grow cold. Every dream I leave with you, paint the night in silver blue, until the morning greets the sea. Bring my love back home to me. If tonight you're watching the moonlight from another distant place, know we're sharing the same heaven underneath the stars of grace. Close your eyes and hear my heartbeat, carried softly through the air. Love can cross the widest oceans when two hearts are true with care. I believe in every promise, I believe in every prayer. Even silence speaks of love when two souls forever care. Morning waits beyond the darkness, just beyond the fading stars. Hope arrives with every sunrise, never truly very far.